Hey, what's up? How's it going? So, I had to run new electrical into my shop, electrical service line. This here is an internet line I ran, which runs parallel to this. But, so this was the old, and this is what happened. I just cut just this one wire. But as you can see, 2 wires burn up in the ground. And, this isn't hot anymore, of course. So, yeah, be like, dude, what are you doing? Yeah, I know, right? But, yeah. I'm gonna cut this off and we're gonna do away with it, man. This is an old building from like the 1860s, dude. It's got a stamp on the back. It's really cool, you know, have something that old, but it's still a beast though, still stout. I put some not fresh paint, but like some spray paint on some of the rust and stuff, and like grinded it down. Not all of it, but I used galvanized. They call cold galvanized. You can get it from Lowe's or Home Depot, and man, it's pretty good stuff, I ain't gonna lie. Of course, it's not as good as the original. It's like 96% zinc or something instead of the whole enchilada. But yeah, I've done a lot of freaking work. Side note, check this out. So, no gutters in the beginning. Water would come down. It would go through these cracks. And these are joints. It has like a J hook. But it's almost like a G. Instead of a J, it cuts over again and like down. It's really weird. It almost makes like a complete square. And they don't clip together, but they hook, like they slide on top of each other. And it's really, really weird. I probably like I was getting all dizzy doing that. But anyway, dude, it's just a pain in the butt when it would rain. And you're just like, well, how do you got this drip edge? This ain't even made for that. It's not. But what would happen is, the way Kansas weather is, it would rain, wind blow, whatever, and water would come underneath. And you can't see it, but underneath this is a 2x4. Treated. You can probably see it now, and there's also a termite shield, what they call a termite shield, or a foundation barrier seal. It's like foam. It's real thin. It's like an 1/8 or a 1/4 inch thick. Anyway, I put that, you know, to make like a cool seal, right? So I think water wouldn't get in. Well, that didn't stop it. So then I was like, had to jack it back up. 3 12-ton jacks. Got it up and put this under here, and this was, man, it's a pain in the butt, dude. It was a pain in the butt trying to drive anchors, you know, concrete anchors and all that. And so this did help it a lot, but then water kept coming through, and I was like, dude, what is the problem? You know, like, I'm starting to get like, I'd have been better off just buying something new and spending thousands of dollars, because this was already here when I got here and when I got my house. So just now I put this caulking all along these edges. And you probably see this discoloration. I took what they call white lightning, which is basically like the same stuff that, what's that, Billy Sims guy or whatever, you know, that Flex Seal, whatever, yeah, that stuff. That's supposed to be like the same stuff as Flex Seal. It's just like the Sherwin-Williams brand. Man, that Lexol caulk does not get off easy. I don't think soap and water's gonna get that. That's probably a paint thinner deal. Anyway, so yeah, man, well, hopefully this will work. And, I'll have to do another video on what all I've done to this shop. I have to break it up into segments, of course. But yeah. Alright, I hope this helps someone. In a sense of, if you're working on an old building, you can't just take shortcuts. You just might as well go ahead and do it the right way. Or just buy something new. You know, if you got that money. I ain't got that kind of money. So yeah. Alright, have a good day. Peace.